Dear friends, welcome to Learning About. In this video, we are going to see one of the latest recruitment notifications from BAS. So BAS, as you know, it is Bureau of Indian Standards. It is a statutory body under the administrative control of the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Government of India, and it is the national standards body of India and is responsible for activities in the field of standardization, prod, product and system certification, hallmarking of gold, silver jewelry, laboratory testing, etc. BAS is also responsible for standardization and certification at the international level. Now, BAS offers excellent career opportunities to bright, young, dynamic persons for the post of scientist to be in the specified disciplines and category. Now, coming to the pay, it is in the pay level 10 as per the 7th Central Pay Commission, and allowances are all applicable. So, the gross is closer to 87,000 in Delhi at present. So the number of vacancies in total it is 28. So you can look at the discipline wise vacancies: civil engineering 13, instrumentation engineering 2, environmental engineering 2, chemistry 7, and textile engineering 4. A total of 28. And also you can look at the category wise vacancies, category wise split up as well. You can pause the video to look at that. Next important dates, the online application process has already started. It's going on from 5th of June 2021, and the last date is 25th of June 2021. That's the last date to apply. And eligibility conditions, so the nationality should be an Indian. As far as the age is concerned, the maximum age limit for candidates is 30 years of age as on 25. That is the last date of application. As on that day, it should be 30 years of age. That's the maximum age limit. But there is also a relaxation on the upper age limit depending upon the category to which you belong to. There is also relaxation on upper age limit as per the government norms. And coming to very important, the eligibility condition, the educational qualification. So a bachelor of degree in engineering or technology, okay, with not less than 60 percentage. Okay, so that's the key here, not less than 60 percentage. So civil engineering, instrumentation engineering, environmental engineering, and textile engineering. Also very important is should have a valid GATE score from 2019, 2020, and 2021. Okay, so any of these 3 years, if the candidates have a valid GATE score, they can apply. So a bachelor of engineering and technology, that is BE or BTech, and a valid GATE score from 2019, 2020, 2021. This is the qualification. And as far as chemistry is concerned, a master's degree in natural sciences or equivalent in the chemistry discipline only, and with again not less than 60 percentage, and having a valid GATE score from 2019, 2020, and 2021. Okay, and in all this educational qualification, the minimum marks of 60 percentage, there is a relaxation for the candidates belonging to the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe category. It is 50% for all these disciplines. So that's regarding the educational qualification. Now, as far as the procedure is concerned, so once you apply, the shortlisting will be based on the GATE 2019, 2020, and 2021 scores. The shortlisting will be based on that, and the people who come in the top in the shortlisted list will be called for the personal interview. So for each of these disciplines, the candidates will be called in the ratio 4:1, or you can say 1:4. That is, if there is one vacancy, like 4 people will be called for that. Okay, so it will be called in the ratio 1:4 for the personal interview. And as far as the final merit list is concerned, GATE score will be considered for will be given a weightage of 85 percentage, and the interview marks will be given a weightage of 15 percentage, and put together the final merit list will be prepared. And during the interview, the certificate verification process will happen during the interview process. And how to apply? So this is the link to apply. Now this link is provided in the description below. So those of you who are eligible can click on that and apply. and there is an examination. I mean, for the process, there is a fee of 100 rupees. So to apply, you need a photograph, signature, date of birth certificate, identity proof, and a valid gate score card, all soft copy, and then like the BE or BTech degree, provisional certificate, and consolidated mark sheet. I mean, if you have degree certificate or provisional certificate, and then the consolidated mark sheet. Let's say if suppose you have a higher additional qualification like an ME MTech, you can also upload those degree or provisional and consolidated mark sheet, and the category certificate like the OBC or EWS or scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, like that category certificate also, if applicable. So I hope the information I have provided in this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, please post your questions in the comment section below. We'll be very happy to answer. For more videos on job alerts, aptitude, reasoning, and general awareness, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.